Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a cutout sticker from someone post on your Instagram timeline. So in here, I've already on my Instagram, and here you can start by finding a post that you want to create the cutout sticker with. For example, I'm going to use this ones right here. So you can just click on the three dots icon on the post. Sorry, not this one. So not every post can be created as the cutout stickers. It depends on the user itself. So let's just try this one. Here, click after you click on the three dots icon, there will be this create a cutout sticker option. Let's tap on that. Now Instagram will creating the sticker, and let's see and just wait for the result. Okay, so since the Instagram cannot find the object, let's just click on the object. For example, this one right here. Okay, you can crop it, and after that, here you can just tap on save sticker when it's done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.